In Dallas, where storm season can bring unpredictable weather including high winds, heavy rain, and sometimes hail, having the right windows in your home can make all the difference in maintaining comfort, safety, and energy efficiency. One window style that stands out during storm season is awning windows. While they may not be the first style that comes to mind when considering window upgrades, awning windows offer a variety of benefits that make them an excellent choice for homes in storm-prone areas like Dallas. In this article, we'll explore why awning windows are a smart choice for Dallas homeowners looking to improve their home's resilience, comfort, and overall protection during storm season. Protection against rain and water damage. One of the standout features of awning windows is their ability to provide protection from rain. Unlike traditional casement windows or double-hung windows, awning windows open outward from the top, which creates a natural shield for the rest of the window opening. This design helps prevent rainwater from entering your home even when the window is open. During a storm or heavy rainfall, this feature is invaluable. While you can open your windows to allow fresh air to circulate, you won't have to worry about rainwater pouring into your home. The awning window's outward opening design ensures that your home stays dry and comfortable even during downpours, reducing the risk of water damage and maintaining your home's indoor air quality. This is especially important in Dallas, where torrential rain is often a hallmark of storm season. Installing awning windows ensures that you can take advantage of natural ventilation without worrying about water intrusion. Enhanced ventilation during storm season. During storm season, air quality can suffer from the combination of high humidity and the closure of windows due to the storm. With awning windows, you can still enjoy ventilation without compromising your home's protection from the elements. Unlike traditional windows that open sideways or up and down, awning windows open outward at an angle, allowing air to flow in from above while keeping water and debris out. This design allows for natural airflow without exposing your home to the elements, which is especially beneficial after a storm has passed. Fresh air can help reduce humidity levels and improve indoor air quality, ensuring that your home remains comfortable, even as stormy weather subsides. In Dallas, where the combination of high humidity and stale indoor air can make the home feel uncomfortable, awning windows provide an easy way to refresh your home without worrying about rain or moisture coming inside. Security and durability during high wind. Another significant advantage of awning windows in Dallas is their resilience during high winds. Because awning windows open outward, they remain more securely closed when the wind is pushing against them. In contrast, windows that open horizontally, such as sliding windows, or vertically, such as double-hung windows, can be more vulnerable to being forced open by gusts of wind during a storm. The awning window's hinged design provides a secure closure, which helps prevent the window from being blown open or damaged in high winds. In storm-prone areas like Dallas, where tornadoes and hurricanes can bring powerful winds, the anchored design of awning windows provides added peace of mind, knowing that your windows will stay securely in place even in challenging weather conditions. Energy efficiency benefit. During storm season, Homes in Dallas can experience fluctuating temperatures as the weather shifts between hot and humid and cooler with passing storms. Awning windows can help maintain your home's energy efficiency during these temperature swings. The tight seal of awning windows when closed helps reduce drafts and air leakage, which is essential for keeping your home's HVAC system from overworking. This can help maintain a comfortable temperature and lower your energy bills, which is especially important when you're running your air conditioning system during the heat of summer or using heating in the cooler months. Furthermore, many awning windows come with energy-efficient glass options, such as low-E coatings or double glazing, which help keep your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. These features further enhance your home's insulation, making awning windows a great addition to improving both comfort and efficiency throughout the storm season. Curb appeal and aesthetic appeal. While functionality is key when selecting windows for storm season, awning windows also add a unique aesthetic appeal to your home. Their sleek and modern design enhances the curb appeal of your home, offering a stylish and sophisticated look. Whether your home is modern, contemporary, or traditional, awning windows can complement a variety of architectural styles. Their unobtrusive appearance and ability to blend in seamlessly with your home's exterior make them a versatile choice for homeowners who want both practicality and beauty. Moreover, since awning windows allow for natural light while offering a stylish design, they can make any room in your home feel brighter and more open, providing the perfect balance between function and style. Low maintenance and longevity. Another reason awning windows are a smart choice for storm season is their low maintenance design. The outward opening mechanism means that these windows are less likely to collect debris and dirt, unlike windows that open sideways. Since they're easier to clean and maintain, you'll spend less time worrying about upkeep and more time enjoying the comfort of your home. Additionally, awning windows are built to last, with durable materials that resist weathering from exposure to the elements. This longevity ensures that they will continue to perform well for years, providing reliable protection through multiple storm seasons. Conclusion: why awning windows are a smart choice for Dallas homes. In Dallas, where storm season brings unpredictable weather, awning windows are a smart investment for homeowners who want to protect their home, reduce energy costs, and increase comfort. With features like rain protection, enhanced ventilation, durability, and energy efficiency, awning windows provide a unique combination of benefits that make them ideal for storm-prone areas. Whether you're looking to increase security, reduce energy bills, or simply enjoy the fresh air after a storm, awning windows offer a practical and stylish solution to meet all of these needs. With their sturdy construction and protective design, these windows ensure that your home remains comfortable and secure, season after season.